Good afternoon, Mr. Tyler.
Hello, Randy. Thank you for being on time, Randy. Waiting 4 more minutes for the rest of the students to arrive. Oh, Lord. Recycle this. Come on, attendance. What are you doing? Let's get this together. All right. Attendance. Third period. There you go. And it's Randy. Staff is blowing my phone up. All right. Oh, Sharon. Okay. Welcome to class.
Hello, Mr. Tyler.
All right, mark her present. Okay. Who is it? I'm trying to see if McDaniels is in my registry. Yeah, he is. So I sent him the email already for this class. This boy. No. Come here. Okay. What is it? 12:23. Oh, hey, Miss Kennard. I gotta go back to attendance again. Switching all these screens. Okay. Kennard arrived. Yes, I know I'm presenting. Okay, I got her now. Okay, so we're almost ready. Let me make sure this stuff is set up correct too. All right, let's close that. Mm, I think the attendance is saved. Is my camera working? Yeah, my camera does work. Okay. What's wrong with my darn camera? Oh, what's going on with Google today? Like everything in slow motion. All right, so did it save my attendance? Yes, it did. Okay, cool. All right, so it's 12:24. Might as well just jump into our norms and get into today's assignment. The assignment should already, if I'm hoping everything's working right. I should use my kit too. But the assignment, everybody, should already be in SB. You have to open up your MIT Scratch account, log into your profile, and you also have to log into EDSB so you can do see what to do because I got the links in there for you. We're gonna discuss that all in a moment. I gotta turn the TV on. Trying to talk it to y'all. I mean, teach to y'all and turn this thing on. Keep forgetting it's got a sleep mode. All right, let that power up. But let's do our norms real quick. Is it ready? Oh, there it goes. Okay. First on the list is Miss Kennard. Can you do the 5 basic norms there? All right.
5 basic norms. No one has to right to hurt another person. Education in classroom is sacred. We will never behave in a way that discredit ourselves, our school, our family. In the Cell Academy, Southwest student always acts with integrity. We take pride in Cell Academy Southwest.
Thank you, Miss Kennard. Next would be, let's see, Randy. Can you do the 5 academic norms there?
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participant. We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers. We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary and the hours.
endeavors. Thank you, sir. Okay, so let's continue on. A lot of you guys, I think, missed GGI today. Not a lot of you guys. I saw Ms. Kennard there. I don't know if you were there, Randy or Sharon, but it is kind of mandatory if you're a Camelot student, right? So, or Camelot or Full Bloom, I'm not sure. But what you want to do is make sure you attend. It's at 11:15. They got a lot of stuff happening tomorrow. I think there's a slide in here for Title One night tonight. So go, go, go. These are opportunities that, can last a lifetime in terms of mentorship or just connections. You might need that after school. So, GGI link I always posted in the Edsby, so you can find it. This image here is blurry. I got to fix it, but I did post all the information. Mr. Funes was talking about this in GGI earlier. So try to attend that tonight. It's going to be really interesting. Tomorrow there is a super producer Drummer Boy. He'll be a guest speaker along with many other speakers. They have what is called the Black History Month Empowerment Seminar. So I definitely encourage you to go to this, and you're already getting points to go to GGI. It's like 5 to 10 points of participation. Now, he has come from a lot of walks of life, or he's worked with a lot of people in his walk of life. And it's good to talk to someone that actually has some success to see how they got there. So try to see what that's about tomorrow. It's during GGI. I think he said 11 o'clock. So, try to attend. This is the same thing in the same vein. Also happening tomorrow is the other guest speakers, such as Lene Harper, WNBA, Imani Truth, and the list goes on and on. Right. So they're going to be talking about financial literacy, mental health, which is very important, entrepreneurship, and legacy. Right. So check out all those fun topics. Not topics, but it's a seminar. So like learning moments with professionals. The PlayStation 5, I'm not sure if it's out of reach yet, but we're still looking for students to participate in this student referral contest. I think they said they got a few more gift cards left, so definitely try to take advantage of it. You just got to refer a student. Come to GGI and they explain how to get involved with this. It's 11:15, 11:45. Okay, so I need a student to read this. Miss Franklin, are you there?
Yes.
Can you read what's on the screen there, please?
Every week, every Wednesday and Thursday, learn to code from the convenience of your home and get extra credit for some of your
Okay,
classes.
cool.
Pandemic
Thank you.
effect of the coding and job marketing. Why
going.
learn to code? The surprisingly bored benefits of coding. Interesting. Join by clicking the link. Let's code.
Okay, thank you so much. Are you on your phone, Miss Franklin? Or are you on a laptop or something? Are you on a cell phone or are you on a computer? Oh wait, okay. Are you gonna make plans to get you a computer, or are they helping you with that or no?
Yeah, I'm making plans to get me a computer.
Okay, all right. But you're here, so that's cool. Oh, there's Rush. He just snuck in on me. Let's move to the next one. Let's see here. Where is it at? There it goes. Not too far. I wanted to go back up. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna come to Miss Kennard. Can you read from daily to daily there?
Daily task. Students will be able to complete the evaluation in ESB. Hello, all aspiring STEM students. Welcome to class. Inside ESB can access all pre-recorded videos of each class. These videos are normally ready to review by 4 p.m. daily.
Okay, so that's Kennard. She got points. Staff is hustling to get people into different rooms. Let's see.
Tyler, can I read the next thing for points?
Okay, Randy, I was gonna come to you next anyway, sir. But yes, you may. I like your energy. Let me get to it. Here we go. Okay, so Randy, you ready? Go ahead. It's on the blackboard there.
MIT, Scratch, and Microsoft Make code projects are required daily. Most projects are possible to complete on a cell phone. However, functionality will be limited. Functionality will be
there
limited.
You go.
An actual personal computer is required to take full advantage of the course. Computer science is a graduation requirement for the state of Illinois via the Board of Education. For questions or concerns, email me at mtyler@camelotforkids.org.
Awesome, sir. Awesome. Okay, so there's another opportunity for points. Randy, do you want to take this, or should I go to someone else?
Oh, no, I'll take it, but the next point is somebody else.
Okay. So the next person would be Miss Franklin. Then, are you able to read what's on the screen there,
Yeah.
Miss Franklin?
Miss Franklin.
I'm talking about Miss Franklin. Go ahead, Miss Franklin.
Exploring computer science. Today, objective students will be able to emanate computer science code blocks to what's that word?
Algorithm.
Algorithm
There you
for
go.
for a variety of operative category conditional statements. Classroom term of the day is mathematical operation. Word of the day is exclusive.
Elusive.
Is it inclusive? What?
Say it with me. Elusive.
Elusive.
There you go. Okay. Way to go. All right. She didn't give up on me. All right. Now, everybody needs to use, Ms. Franklin, I know you just arrived, but you should be able to do the assignment on your phone. It's going to be limited. That's what that last slide was saying. You can do this on the phone, but the functionality, how much you can do, is limited. So first, I want you to do, Ms. Franklin, is so you can even participate. Do you have a Scratch account at all?
Yeah.
Okay, so good. You did do that. All right, so log into that if you can, because that's how you're gonna do the assignment. I know it's tough on the phone, so I'm gonna try to help you out a little bit, but you eventually need to get that computer. Let me expand the screen. So I'm gonna put in the chat the next part for participation points. I think Randy said he wanted to do the next one. He's being a gentleman. Coming here to Edsby. So where I'm getting this information from for what we're doing today is in Edsby. So you should want to also be logged in there. Okay, did my computer freeze or is it straight? Oh, there it goes. Okay, it was frozen for about 30 seconds. I was like, work. Okay, it's working with me now. We're going to be in period 3. And here we are. This is pretty much everything I tried to talk about. Try to give you, because I know not everybody goes through and checks that. That's why I started doing that with Mr. Rush, to give you a taste of what's in GGI, because not all y'all attend GGI, So it's my attempt to show you what you're missing. Anyway, so you always go to GGI, try to make sure it's at the top of your timeline and your SB portal. And that's there. And next is the assignment. And today's assignment, I'm going to put it in the chat. I'm going to have someone read it. It's about events. Fantasy teacher sample, right? Let's grab that. Come here to chat and plug that right there. Okay, so the rest of it didn't go. Oh Lord, what happened to it? Please keep in mind that. That's what I was trying to put in here. It has a character limit. There's only so many words you can put in the chat box before it cuts off what you're trying to say. I wish that wasn't true. Okay. So I'm gonna come to Miss Kennard. I haven't heard from. No, Randy was gonna do it, right? Randy, you got it or no? Because you said y'all do it next, but if not, I can come to Miss Kennard. It's up to you. Are you there, Randy? I just see the flag for Chicago. I think the top of your head. That you, Randy? Okay, I guess not. Randy seemed he turned his mic on.
Mr. Tyler?
Yeah.
You calling me?
I was, dude. Did you mute me or something?
No, I didn't. It's just like I was hearing like a little voice saying, Randy.
Can you read what's in the chat, Randy? Oh Lord.
Yeah. Hello and good day to all future computer scientists. You will need to create a Scratch account and utilize the tutorial to create this project efficiently. The link to begin creating your project for today is Advanced Fantasy Teacher Sample Remix. Use the code to recreate, remix your own sprites and bedrock for the entire program. All segments of code need to be ready by tomorrow morning's class. Please keep in mind that you must choose your own sprites and bedrocks for this project and all future projects.
Thank you, Randy. Get 30 points for that, man. You're awesome. And that's because I like literacy, making sure you understand. That's why we read these things together. All right, and do it in a habit so you just know what's coming. All right, now inside of your program, I want to remind people, because some people are not doing this. You want to find a way to display the word of the day and the term of the day. That's the exit slip. Okay, you look at the program. Some people have the same program and good, but they didn't finish the exit slip portion. And if somehow you got to use your block codes. Can't hit the say block, right? You can find a character that doesn't have it attached to it, and can attach to that, and basically make it say the exit slip, which is the word of the day and the classroom term of the day. Okay, let's get to the meat and potatoes, as I say to my son. And there he is. He's playing this darn game. Cortana is telling me everything he does. Messed around and worked for the government a little too long, and now no ways to spy on my child. Okay, so you should have two screens, right? We've done this several times. Let me get it cleaned up because this is for physics students. I gotta clean all this up. So I think this is the right file anyway. Yeah. So you can have it on this screen or that screen. It's up to you. But if I were you, if you're on a computer, I would make sure I'm connected to basically both screens, right? Oh, I think my computer froze. Is this frozen? There we go. All right. So everybody see what I got going on? I think it's all correct. I had to look at both screens and make sure it's working right. You should see what I'm doing, I think. On one end, you can have, your blank canvas where you're starting your program at, right? And make sure you're logged into your Scratch account to do this. It's really hard to do on the phone, though. I'm worried about that. So what you need to do first and foremost is just make sure you're in your account. Secondly, you have my code that I gave you already up and ready to review. And here's what I mean. The second link, let me click on this over here. And bring this link over to this screen. So one is blank like this. A lot of students keep trying to use this cat. That's a default sprite. You're not supposed to really use that because you got to use your own sprites, right? Let me move all this out of my way so I can see stuff. There we go. So I got what I'm going to program over here. I just switched it up a little bit. I can switch it around if y'all want, but I have my example code here. I have what I'm working on here. A lot of students are not doing this one thing. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you name your program. And you just name it what I gave you, right? Instead of remix, it's going to actually be, double click in here, your name. So your name, in my case, is Tyler, right? Click on share. If you did your profile correctly, you should see this. So I click on share and it says this project is not shared. But now after I click that button, it says project is now shared. So that means I can come here, hit the copy link and turn that in for credit. Okay. So let me go back and go inside and get ready to code. The example code is this file I gave you in the chat that Randy just read to us. You click on see inside, and you can take a look at what it does. You can see it here on the project page or inside the code itself. I'm just waiting for it to change screens. There it goes. It's running kind of slow. And this is the initial code you're using, right? So you're going to come over here and you're going to reprogram all of this code just the same way. The only difference is you cannot use the little ghost I use. You can't use the little dude. You can use your own characters. But you got to make sure everything is programmed the same. Okay. So let me go through that with you. I didn't even mean to make that Jamal, to be honest with you. That's kind of funny. So I'm gonna delete this. And come on, guys, y'all talk too much. And the first part you want to do is you want to make sure you select your sprites. Now, in the example code I gave you, you have 3 sprites, right? Let's real quickly show you what it's supposed to do. So if I expand this, and I hit the green flag, which is what starts the program, they start normal. It said, click on me for instructions. I'm going to click on Jamal. It says, press the space bar to do some magic. Minimal. I hope I'm shrinking, right? You notice there's a cat here too. I was telling some students you could use the cat as the character that says what your word of the day and classroom term of the day is. Hint, hint. Your exit slip part, right? So they, if you click on, they constantly get larger or smaller. You click on him, he gets larger or smaller. And those are things that this program does. Now you need to make yours do the same by following the same blocks of code structure. So you have to first start with, the first sprite, move on to the monster, or the looks like Boo from Mario Brothers or something. And the cat has, nothing at all, but you can make the cat move if you use some of the code from the other sprites. There's a little note there on what to do. You could also use this as a place to put your exit slip in. I keep reminding people that. So make your cat say what the exit slip is. The entire definition, though. Don't just put the word there, okay, or the words. The definitions are both shown for at least about 5 seconds. Anyway, so to get you started, make sure you start with the first sprite here. And then we're going to start coding. So just follow this as your example. First block of code I need is this yellow block that says when clicked. Come over here to events, because that's pretty much yellow or orange. And I'm going to grab it. I think orange is control, so it's probably gold. Anyway, you click on it, and grab this, and we're going to put it right here. So what do we do next? Well, we got to grab that next piece of code that's similar. So it's blue, and blue looks like it corresponds to motion. Over here to motion. And I'm waiting for my motion categories to show me where they are. I'm in look, sorry. Okay. Oh, you know what I did wrong? There's no sprite. I'm like, why isn't it showing? So let me delete this. There we go. Okay, this is better. So if you don't know how to choose a sprite, everybody, click on this, right? Choose your sprite. You got to choose 3 of them, so I got to get 2 more out of here. I'm like, I can't see my motion. Well, you didn't give it a sprite first. That's the first thing you should have did. I'm thinking about stuff that students was asking me questions about. All right, now find something that has an animation. So I'm gonna take the batter, for instance. And I know Andy here has one. I gotta get 1 more. I'm showing you how much you should do to get share out points in the end. And grab the bat, everybody's favorite. Now, you got those 3 started. You want to get your backdrop. Your backdrop, oh, that's where I was coding. I was coding in the backdrop area, or the background area. Okay, so I'm going to choose a background. And I don't know, everybody keeps choosing the basketball court. I don't know why, but there's many things in here, everybody. So choose something creative. How about the canyon? Okay, now I have everything I need. Let me click on the first sprite. And again, first block was what? Well, that was events. And now if I click on motion, there we go. And that's go to X, right? So I'm looking for that. Plug that there. And the values are, if you look at the example, what? So that's going to be -60, right? And then I'm going to hit tab and then -41. Okay, so I took you as far as I can take you because I want you to work on getting all your sprites done and your backdrop set. Remember, the only key thing here is you cannot use the same sprites and backdrops that I have in that program. One key thing some students are getting credit for, they put their own sound bites in it. One student, every time the basketball bounced in their little animation, it was a sound bite they made, or it was pretty much their voice. So I think one student had a dog and she said woof, and she had woof repeating. That was funny. So you can get extra credit if you include your own sound bites in there, meaning record anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds of you saying something and put that in there. Now, of course, don't put no profanity into your project. Now, it could be your favorite song, but no cussing, nothing dirty. Give it a try. And that's something you can do for extra credit if I see it work in your program, all right? But I want to give everybody 10 minutes to work on this. We're going to do share outs and see how far we've gotten. This is the part where you got to try it out. So block by block, follow the example. There's no way to get confused. Just follow the example code and make it your own. Okay? Let's see here. Where's my clock at? When we come back, we're going to review the objective twice more. So there's some more points coming at you guys. But I want you to give you some time to work on this and try to get it right. See how far you get in 10 minutes. There it is. I'm like, my stopwatch. There we go. Here we go.
¿A quién estás esperando aquí tú? A ver.
Oh.
Randy?
That's what I said. Huh?
I didn't say that. That was
No.
Randy.
I said that. That's why I said it.
Oh, I was confused. I'm looking
Randy.
at document. I'm like, I'm gonna mute him, and he probably don't even know he unmuted himself. Randy. Okay, let me do this. Come on now, screen. One thing I don't like about things running this slow. Oh, Lord. My screen is frozen. That's interesting. Oh, there it goes. Sound like a little dog. Yeah, Google is definitely having an issue today. I can't do nothing about it, huh? All right, let me come over here. Oh, now you want to work. Google, you tripping today. As soon as I turn around, it pop up with a menu. Oh, there he is. Randy?
Hello?
Yeah, you back?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Was somebody on my computer?
Yeah. You I think you were talking and we couldn't hear you.
I'm sorry, Mr. Tyler. I think that was probably my sister won't hear himself.
It's okay, dude. Just mute yourself for the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around and use my kit. And they was like, oh no, we're gonna work. Okay, let's see if everything is working correctly. All right. Now let's do this. You have to refresh the screen. Like, come on, you tripping. Let's see if this fixes that situation. Where's my student list? Okay, there it goes. And you're supposed to be showing something, Google. Huh. So it just told me it's sharing. Oh, there it goes. It took a moment. Okay, so my kit got it. My computer, I think it's my computer. I gotta reboot this thing. Oh, Lord. All right. 12:55, 1:20. Okay. We got a few more seconds for you to share out anyway. Let me get this ready for y'all. Stop you right now before you get ringing in my ear. Okay. All right, let's see if we can see everything. Turn that list on too. That looks like it's frozen in time. Oh, there we go. Took it was a cool glass of water. All right, it should be showing. All right, so objective. I had to refresh the screen, everybody, because it was. I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm gonna figure you out though. Can they see that? Yes, they can. And then go here. Okay, so we gotta review the objective one more time. Miss Franklin, can you read the objective on the screen?
Exploring computer science. Today, objective students will be able to emanate computer science code blocks to uh,
Algorithms.
algorithms
There you go.
for a variety of what's that word?
Operator.
Operator,
Oh,
category, conditional statements.
good.
Classroom term of the day is mathematic operator. Word of the day is as exclusive as
You did it last time, right?
yeah
E E.
exclusive
No. Don't rush through it, Sharon. Elusive.
elusive.
There you go. She trying to rush through the rest of it. No, let's take your time. All right. So, Lord, y'all be so scared to try it. All right. So let me come out of this and turn on the share feature so you can share your screen. Those two words, the one that Sharon just mentioned, pretty much what she just read, that was the word of the day. Sorry, classroom term of the day was mathematical operators. Word of the day was elusive. That should be in your programming somewhere and displayed. So now, let's come over here to stop presenting and turn on the share feature. It's time to see how much you've gotten done in that 10 minutes you was given to at least get some of your coding done. I gave you the example code, so all you gotta do is just at least have 2 sprites in 10 minutes. That's not, this is not hard. You just gotta go through and program it. So I'm gonna go down the list. Ms. Kennard, are you able to share what you've done so far? Your camera's kind of blurry. I don't know if you're there or not. She probably is. No, Ms. Kennard, you there? Oh, there you go. You said you can't share?
No.
Dang, we keep running into that problem. Now, what was the issue again? You and your kid, right?
Yeah.
I know. I know what I wanted to tell you. That's what it was. When you get a chance, I want you to download Google Chrome. Can you do that on your kit?
I can try.
Yeah, give it a try, and then see if you can get back in the room, and we're gonna test out that share. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let me know what happens. Randy, look at the ceiling fan. Are you there? Oh Lord. I wish we were in the building. It's like I could keep an eye on all of you.
Mr. Title,
Yes.
I'm here, Mr. Title. I'm sorry I had to throw out the garbage and stuff.
Did you get any coding done?
Oh,
Uh.
oh, but I did get some from yesterday.
Well, I'm talking about today's code, man. What is you? Did you get the link to the example code I gave or no?
Yeah, the one in the chat, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's not the one we were working on yesterday.
No, dude, this is a new one today. That's what I was trying to check on you.
So each day we make new projects.
Yes, sir. That's why you got to get the projects done that day. Tomorrow there'll be a new one. So try to
No,
use the rest, huh?
no, all right. I think I get it. I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, try to use that code that I gave you to create your own version and use your own characters. Okay, so look, it's 101. I want to give you guys about, well, best I can do is 8 more minutes. And I'm gonna check back on you. We're gonna do our objective, and I wanted to show you all how to submit the assignment. I think we all know how to do that. But after you finish everything, I'm not saying now, after you finish all of the coding that I gave you, you click on the copy link and you turn it into ESB. Okay. So let me give you shucks. We can only do 8 more minutes. We need time for share outs. Let's see how far we can get. And besides that, I want to give Ms. Kennard some time to download Google Chrome, and then probably if she uses that and log into here, we can see what she's working on. That might be a fix. Because I want to do VNC Viewer with you, but that's going to be complicated. And I got to actually talk to you offline and step you through it. I don't want that to be hard on you. All right, so seems like everything's working better. Let that refresh. So 8 minutes, 8 minutes.
Mr. Taylor,
Yes, who's that? My kid, what's wrong? What happened?
I don't know how.
You don't know how, is what you said?
Yeah, I went to Google, I tried to download, but it said the package web or something.
Okay, do you see my screen coming up?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to follow what I do. Let's do this together, okay? I don't know how. I like her honesty. Okay, so you see what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
This is my kit. So I'm going to come over here to the Chrome browser. I'm already in there. And I'll open a tab, right? And I'm going to say download Chrome. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it comes up with all this wonderful stuff. We want to find a download for Google Chrome. So your version, let's see here. Can we do it for Raspberry Pi? We're going to try it. So let's do it for Chrome. Okay, and this is the instructions. I'm looking for the download file. Okay, let's go back. Let's do it for Windows. Would that work? Okay. Download the installation file. You said what?
Huh?
Are you where I'm at now?
The options that popped up for you didn't pop up for me.
Okay, wait. So let me go back. We're going to try this link out. Well, hold on. Just give me a second. Let me try it out and see if it'll work for you, because I want you doing all that and it don't want to work. All right, so that's what I found out about. Okay, so we're 64-bit. Accept install. What happened there? Okay, that was like, what happened to my file? Okay, desktop and save. Okay, now I'm going to take you through the same steps. What I'm going to do is I'm putting in the chat the link I use, and I want you to click on let me grab this. The link. This might help you get where I'm at, Ms. Kennard. There you go. Do you see it there in the chat?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and then you see where it says installation file, right? It says install on Chrome on Windows. Number 1 installation file. It's a file. It's a link you can click on. Okay, it should take you to that page I showed you, right, where you download it. Let me know if it's going any further for you.
Yeah. You click on the bit.dep.
Huh?
64bit.d.
Yes, Debian. Yeah, choose the first option. Okay. So now we got that. It should open up a menu where you have to select where it's going to go. I would put it on the desktop so you can find it, Ms. Kennard. So it looks like this here, one of these types of zip files.
It
Right click,
didn't take me through.
huh?
It didn't take me through like to choose where to put it. It just said thanks for downloading.
It says what?
It didn't send me through like where I want to click it at, like to put it on desktop and nothing like that.
It just
And it
put it on
just
the desktop.
downloaded.
It just downloaded.
Yeah.
Oh, so did it go to your downloads? Because you got to find it now. So you got to figure out where it is. It looks like this file here, dear. So I don't know if you can see my screen, but once you find that, we got to extract it to use it. So I'm going to hit extract to folder.
I don't know where it took it.
You say what?
I don't know where it took it to download.
Oh, so you don't know if you put it on downloads or your desktop?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got two choices. You can go to your desktop and look for it, or you can go in your downloads folder. You do either one by clicking on your file manager, right?
I'm
Yeah.
in it, but I don't see that little flower.
Oh, okay, so we probably got to try to download again. It might not have downloaded for you. So I clicked on install file. You just got to watch where it went. Download, right? And you hit accept install. And the save file folder should open up. Maybe you clicked on home. Let's take a look around, but you're so close. Let me see if this works. If you can't find it, you can always try to download it again and just try to make it go to the desktop. You also got a search button up here. You probably can type it in and find out. That's a magnifying glass. That's not what I want. I was looking for the search feature to help you out. We go to, I think we can do it in here, right? File manager. And then, where is that at? View, sort, tools, right? Yeah, find files. So you go to tools and find files and type in, what was it, Google Chrome. It might find it for you that way.
Tools?
All right, so you see file manager here?
Yeah, in the corner.
Now, if you click on tools, click on find files and type Chrome in there. Maybe it'll help you find it.
Ain't nothing public.
Okay, so that means you got to download it. It didn't download right. Don't get frustrated. I hear it in your voice. All right. So give it another try. Take your time through it, though.
Oh, I gotta go back into the link.
All right. I think our 8 minutes is expired almost. Let me see here. So I'm not going to frustrate you, Ms. Kennard. You don't. You could just work on that later, but just send me the file if you can in Edsby, and I'll review it. I'll have to because you do your work. It's just we got to figure out how to get that installed on there or how to get you VNC Viewer. And that's a later topic. And also it's 1:10, so we better get out of here anyway. Wanted to share out again, everybody. See if you made it further, but we're just gonna cover the objective one more time before we get ready to go. Let's see here. If you would like to share out for points, now is the time. Miss
Me.
Franklin, Miss Franklin, was you able to get anything done over there as far as your scratch programming?
The scratch one is hard though.
It's hard. How is it hard? And I gave you a whole. I did the work for you.
No, it's hard doing it on the phone because I can't see
Oh,
you doing it. And
I,
then I gotta.
yeah, see. Do what you can, dear. Once you log off, your internet might move faster, but it is hard, isn't it? You gotta go between screens, and I don't know, man. You need a computer, though, Miss Franklin. That's all. And hopefully, you can get in touch with the staff and get that corrected. Did you get one of the kits yet? You didn't get one of the Raspberry Pi kits?
I did.
Why don't you have it set up? You could have been using it like Miss Kennard's using hers right now.
I ain't set mine up.
Okay. You said what?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, I
Well, can
mean,
I read the thing?
can you get what?
Can I read the objective?
Yes. Go right ahead.
Exploring computer science. Today, objective students will be able to annuate computer science code blocks to. A, I don't think I'm gonna get that right.
Yes,
A
you
go
are. Stop it. Algorithm.
algorithm for
There
a
you
variety of operator category conditional statements. Classroom term of the day is mathematic operator operator. Word of the day is don't tell me it.
I'm not. I'm
Is
waiting on you.
inclusive.
Almost. Come on, try it again.
Um,
E.
inclusive.
No, see, you go again. E.
E
Lu.
elusive.
There you go.
Elusive.
You almost got it. Okay, everybody. It's 1:12. I want you to have time to stretch your legs. Your next class is at 1:30. You need to be there and be on time. So that's when you ask the teacher questions in case you get stuck. So look, I gotta get ready for the next period. Do you have any questions for me? Kennard, I heard you speaking. Is that a question?
Um, for the track down on the Chrome packet, is it like underneath the Debian and 64-bit .deb stuff? It's
Right.
another thing that could support the version of something. You
Right.
gotta
So
go
that's
back and see what you're talking about.
right. No, but see, that's what I was talking about. I'm gonna work on that myself. I don't want you working on it because it might get confusing. It came up with 2 more zip files, right? And I don't want you getting lost with all the steps. So don't worry about it yet. Once I figure out an easier way for you to do it, I will tell you. All right. Just focus on downloading your completed work because I know you did it, right? And putting that in ESB. Okay. Can you do that? Like, I think you can still click on file on your kit and download the file and just put that in there. Are you able to do that or no?
Download the file. Which, yeah,
I'm talking about your scratch file, right?
like the link, right?
You can still use the link.
I I could send a link to you, like copy the link and put it into this.
Yeah, put it in ESB. Put it not ESB message, the assignment though.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all you got to worry about. I want you to focus on nothing else, but just turning your work in once you're done with it, Kennard. And don't forget about the exit slip too. Put those words in there somewhere with the definitions, so you can get those 25 points. Randy, Randy, my man, you got the camera moving around. Okay.
Hi.
Any luck, Randy? Got anything done?
Mande.
Okay. Randy, are you okay? Okay, he gave me thumbs up. Okay. I was about to ask you, could you share what you've done so far, Randy? That's all I was saying, man. But you sound like you still busy. I was trying to see if you had like at least 2 sprites coded or something. All right, so it's 1:15. Ms. Kennard, you can log off. I want you to use this time to just do your work and get ready for class. Randy, you moving your system around.
See you, Mr.
See you, Ms. Kennard. Okay, Randy just got me moving around with him. So Randy, are you about to sit down for the first time and actually start working on it, or did you have time to work on it? All I see is the top of his head. Okay. I was about to say, Randy, are you there, dude? Class is almost over. Tell me something. Did you do some of the coding or no?
I'm here, Mr. Tyler. I'm working on the coding right now.
Okay, no, I was saying you could just log off because I want your internet speed to be good and work on it. Get it finished, and then show me what you got tomorrow in class. Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Tyler. I'm sorry.
It's okay, dude. It's okay. But get ready for your next period, though.
All right, Mr. Tyler. Have a good day.
Likewise, sir. Okay. You gonna leave it at the school? Now I gotta figure out when to get up to the school. I gotta go up there anyway and do inventory. Okay, Rush. I'm about to move to the next period, fourth period. It's gonna be pretty much their lucky day or evening because it's asynchronous on Thursdays for them. Let me close this recording. That seemed to